everybody, it's Gregory Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. And today I have some advice for you on evicting your tenant. Now, evicting a tenant is probably the most stressful and costly thing that you'll have to deal with as a rental property owner. And here's my biggest two pieces of advice. The first one is get a payment plan. Okay, so what this means is you go to court and you have the tenant agree to some type of payment plan to catch up on their current and past due rent. Now, this may be an extra $100 per week or an extra $100 per month. It's whatever you can negotiate with the tenant. This is great because they'll sign an agreement, the judge will sign it, and then it's binding. If you work out a payment plan before court, it's non-binding and the tenant can essentially do whatever they want and you have no recourse. So the second piece of advice is remove the emotion. Now, a lot of owners get very nervous, very stressed out when court happens, but what you have to do is you have to go there, you have to remove the emotion and be factual. Now, when you have a clear head and you're fact-based, you're going to get much better results and the tenant is going to respect you. So that's the key. Sign a payment plan, remove the emotion, and you'll be off to the races. So once again, this is Gregory from Nexus Property Management, your property managed.